One of the best superstars around.
The following contest is a 2 out of 3 falls match. Making his way to the ring from Dayton, Ohio, weighing in at 379 pounds, Bulldozer.
And guys, this looks to be a match with major implications here in WWE. Could change the entire landscape here.
He is in perhaps the best shape of his career, and he will need that with the competition level this high.
And his opponent from Brisbane, Australia, weighing in at 230 pounds, Christian.
I ran into this superstar backstage, and I was shocked. I was appalled to hear them bad-mouthing their opponent in this match.
It's not bad-mouthing. It's just some pre-match mind game.
We'll have to see if that strategy works, Byron, but I will say I was there with Corey, and the language was colorful.
He said he'll be making a statement in this match tonight and will deliver it emphatically.
WWE Universe has witnessed some great 2 out of 3 falls matches over the years.
We won't know until it's over, but my gut tells me we are going to see one for the ages.
Well, I rarely trust your gut, especially after what you did in the bathroom earlier, but I'll make an exception tonight.
Oh, impressive counter.
What's coming next?
Taking their time. Punch to the gut.
Took the wind right out of you.
And that was an effective attack, guys. Makes him pay with a counter. They are feeding off the WWE fans, now pinning the arm down, and stop right to the hand. Oh, right to the kidneys.
Golly.
And a standing moonsault. We've seen the lengths superstars are willing to go to in an Extreme Rules match to earn the victory. What do you have to do to get yourself in that mindset?
Well, it's all about adapting in Extreme Rules. You really have to be creative and maybe even a little crazy if you want to succeed.
Oh, what a chop.
Trying to create some space.
Suicide dive forearm smash.
That's playing fast and loose with your own body.
That is weaponizing your body. That's what that was.
Spinebuster.
Showing out their deadlifting prowess and just tossing their opponent like they're nothing.
The damage he's taken is starting to pile up. And he gets set back into the ring. He leaves the ring, and there's no countouts in this one.
There's nothing off limits?
Nope. Oh, gut punch. Nasty. Oh, drop kick.
What a shot.
And it's reverse pain for that mistake.
Hooked up. Here it comes.
The gory slam.
Nicely done.
this is just vicious.
That'll break his arm.
Vicious.
There are a lot of ways this can go sideways. Everything on that stage looks like it hurts.
Gets him with the counter.
Working the midsection there.
Facing off at the top of the ramp.
I don't know what's going to happen, but it's going to hurt.
He's struggling a bit here.
Showing a lot of fortitude in this Extreme Rules match for sure, but not sure how much more tenable it can be.
He returns to the ring. And he'll leave the ring for this next stretch. Gets inside the ring.
Oh, my God.
Placing them right where they want them, into the corner.
It's time.
Here it comes.
Once again.
For the train!
Train! Here he goes for the win!
Then he closes it out. Oh, how did he get the shoulder up?
He just kicked out by a fraction of a second.
The steps connect.
That hurt me just watching.
Heads out of the ring. What's next?
He grabbed the ladder. This is either going to pay off or completely backfire. He'll take things into the ring.
Being carried around with ease.
That's just disrespect right there. I kind of like it.
Oh, just turn that around.
Letting his opponent know he can take on the world right now.
His opponent is just overwhelming him here.
Yeah, this match has not been kind to him.
His offense is on point right now.
Yeah, he is showing us a lot out here.
It's time.
Here it comes.
Once again.
For the train!
Train!
Ref getting ready to raise his hand.
Makes the cover.
Tap one onto his score there.
He went right into that turnbuckle.
It's time.
Here it comes.
Once again.
For the train!
Train! This one is all but over.
The cover! And that will end it.
Here is your winner, Bulldozer.
This is a big win for them here in a must-win match.
The action we just witnessed was really something else.
This is one I won't forget for a long time.